What is OSL dating in archaeology? Imagine trying to figure out how old a buried layer of sand or soil is without any bones or charcoal around. That's where a method called optically stimulated luminescence dating comes into play. It's a way scientists can tell the age of sediments in archaeological sites, especially when organic materials are missing. This technique is especially helpful for dating deposits that are from a few decades up to about 100,000 years old, and sometimes even older. The science behind OSL dating involves tiny mineral grains, usually quartz or feldspar, found in sediments. When these grains are buried, they start to trap electrons inside their crystal structure due to natural radiation from the environment and cosmic rays. These trapped electrons build up over time, like a kind of natural clock. If these grains are exposed to sunlight before burial, the trapped electrons are released, resetting the clock to zero. But once they are buried again, the electrons start accumulating. In the lab, scientists take samples from the sediment and stimulate the mineral grains with a special light source. This causes the trapped electrons to be released, emitting a flash of light called luminescence. The amount of light produced is proportional to the radiation dose the grains have absorbed since they were last exposed to sunlight. By measuring this luminescence, researchers can calculate how long ago the grains were buried. One of the biggest advantages of OSL dating is that it doesn't need organic material, unlike radiocarbon dating. It works well for sediments like sand, silt, or clay, and can date deposits from just a few years ago to hundreds of thousands of years ago. This makes it a key tool for understanding when ancient humans occupied certain sites or when environmental changes occurred. Applying OSL dating involves careful sampling to ensure the mineral grains were fully reset by sunlight before burial. If the grains weren't exposed long enough, the age estimate might be too old. Researchers also need to measure the environmental radiation dose rate, which can vary depending on the site. This involves analyzing the surrounding sediments and calculating how much radiation the grains have been exposed to over time. Overall, OSL dating is a powerful method for building a timeline in archaeology, especially when other dating techniques can't be used. It helps us piece together the story of human history and environmental change by providing dates for sediments where organic remains are scarce or absent.